Alright, so it's arrived at the night market here in Da Nang. Gonna check it out, see what it's saying. Seems very cool and calm, very quiet. But let's see. So I thought it was just food, but it looks like they've got everything. Got your bags, yeah, got your bags and that again. Bags, wallets, all sorts of stuff here. Check it out, they've got watches too. Petite, Rolex, Hublot, all sorts of watches. Excuse me. Hello. What's your prices for the Petite? For the Patek. What's the price for the Patek? Or the Hublot, sorry. For that one? No, just a price for that one, please. What's the price for that one?
Cái này bao nhiêu anh? One bond two.
1.2 million. Okay. And the Rolex same price?
Yeah, no different.
All right. What's the price for Rolex instead? The Rolex?
Rolex.
Yeah.
What's the price?
Price first, please.
Cái này bao nhiêu anh? Cái Rolex.
Same price. Okay. 1.2. Okay. Oh, cool. We'll look around, then we'll come back. Thank you. Okay. We'll look first. Yeah, then we'll come back. Thank you. So 1.2 works out about. It's not much to be fair. It's about 20 something pounds, maybe about 25 pounds. So yeah, very cheap. I don't know about the quality of them, but it's a good price. You got your belts there, your leather goods. And look, you can pick your buckle and stuff, so yeah, it's quite cool. So customize your belt with your own buckle, the own type of leather you want. So that's a nice touch. Wallets galore now. Got loads of wallets here, little purses, shoulder bags for men as well. This is a person's bag heaven. I'm telling you. And they're all quite cheap. This one only $4.50. So that's about £15. Cheap. And here we are at the Son Tran night market. You get your sugarcane juice. Yeah, I'm coming back for some. Yeah, I love sugarcane juice. It is delicious. Yeah, foot massage. And it's cheap as well. It's only $1.30 for 30 minutes. That's good. That's a couple of pounds. No, good for now, thank you. We're in the food part now. So before was all the shopping stuff, now it's food time. So let's check it out. We've got a lot of choice there. It looks nice there and it smells good. And everything should be cheap as well, so let's see. I'm gonna get food first. Come back. Thank you. No, good for now. Look at this. Look, some fresh seafood here. The only thing is that it's left out, but it's not too hot today. So it should be right. Oh, I'm not sure yet. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Rolled up meat. Maybe. Some fresh shellfish here.
Barbecue.
Yeah, looks good.
You very good.
Yeah, we're gonna look around, then we'll come back.
Oh, come back. It's me.
Hello.
You're welcome. I have
Okay.
two lobster 500,000 for two, and we cooking free for you.
Okay.
I get more you oyster, scallop, prawn, and morning glory.
All right.
Everything 500,000.
We'll look around, then we'll come back.
Barbecue with cheese sauce, garlic, onion.
Oh, lovely. Okay, thank you.
Good fry for you, no break. You
Yeah.
can check. I discount for you.
Okay, now we'll come back though. Got some spit roast chicken there. Okay. What is that? What's that? Oh, okay.
And chicken and pork legs.
Okay.
Okay, you better put no.
All right.
Okay, you put no.
Oh, nice. Okay. That's good. Thank you. Some of the food looks very good here. I can't lie. I think I'm gonna get some barbecue meat or something. Everything you can think of: seafood, chicken, fish, beef, pork, the whole shebang. Look, they're like patties. Anna, what are these? Pancakes. Oh, okay. They look nice. Okay, we're gonna come back. They look good actually. Thank you. Some delicious meats here. Hello.
You want lobster BBQ?
Maybe later.
I have for two lobster only 400.
Yeah? Okay.
Only for your order scanners now.
What's the price for the lobster?
This?
Yeah.
Two lobster, this. One bibo, one lobster only 400.
400.
And I free for your oyster scanners, snail cream. This I free for you. Lobster cooking for flavor, onion, garlic, butter, cheese, and chili.
Okay.
For two lobster, this one bibo lobster household only 400,000. I
Okay.
cooking same this. Very good, very fast.
Alright. Got this chicken kebab. Cost like 50p or less. Super cheap. And it tastes delicious. I'm telling you. Very, very nice. Very fresh. All prawn and squid like pancake things. They're quite nice. Very oily though. But they're cheap. They're about £1. And you get like 6 of them. So now we've got here beef and a pork kebab as well. They look good. They smell delicious. And super cheap again. They're about £1.50 for 2 of them. So yeah, mad cheap. Maybe £2. But yeah, very, very cheap. We've got some sugarcane juice there. And some lychee, and the 2 drinks were £1.50 for both of them. Crazy, so fresh as well. So what we found here so far, there's a lot more, I guess, expats and stuff, and foreigners in Da Nang compared to Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh, not so much. Saw a few, but here there's much more. I think there's a big expat community, digital nomads, etc. So yeah, it's noticeable. Got lots of watches here. Got the Sky Dweller. Got a good selection. Got the GMT. You got them all. Got the Yacht Master somewhere. I saw it. Yeah, got the Yacht Masters there. The Sky Dwellers. Yeah, you got a whole good selection of things. You got your Cartiers as well. Just about to approach the famous Dragon Bridge here in Da Nang. Look, check it out. Based on the weekends, this thing breathes fire and spits out water far, like literally from there all the way probably back there to the bottom of the bridge. But only on the weekends, and today's a weekday, so we won't be seeing it. And we're not here for the weekend, so I'm gonna miss out. But yeah, still get a feel for it, and it is massive. And it's a big spectacle on the weekends, so there's massive crowds there. Everyone comes and comes to view it, takes in the views, and after that, go to the supermarket, which is back there. And yeah, it's just in a vibrant part of town. You see the skyline there, very cool. That building there, with all the 3D adverts on there and stuff. Yeah, very cool. Got little night boats as well, which is nice. So far, yeah, I'm liking it here. The first day here, first night, very cool. Lots to do and see. Quite vibrant, not as hectic as Ho Chi Minh, but still nice. And yeah, very cheap again. People seem friendly.